Googies, googie, yum, yum.
Hop, 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 TADA! And welcome to the 2023 Easter edition of Joseph's Model Railway and Toy Room that are over in another room. Well, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, thank you so much for joining me. As always, we're in full production of Easter activities going on at the moment, but I thought I'd give you a quick update of where we are at the moment. So let's jump on into the toy room and see where we are.
Ah, yes. Easter Googie eggs are waiting for some lucky person. Certainly won't be me, I doubt it. I'm not a big chocolate person. I find it's a lot sweeter playing with trains. Oh boy, it's a real disaster in here. I'm embarrassed to show you. I'm going to keep it at a wide angle because I don't want to give anything away. Really quickly, excellent progress being made with our cricket pitch at the moment, and a surprise little section as well coming up. Working over, we've got everything ready to start pouring and water ripples and everything in the coastal section with that viaduct. I'll get to that in a moment. We've got our modular section, which we're about to see in an upcoming video that I've got completed sitting underneath the where the fiddle yard is. They're just waiting on just a couple more little things. We're going to treat them, and I can come up and get the video, and we're going to talk about modular scenery coming across. We've got our magnificent Christmas tree, which is actually now completed and decorated, and we're just working on that entrance to the station. There's some lovely static grass. Again, a video on static grass coming up. I don't want to give anything away there, so we're giving you this horrible angle. Our crane is just sitting at the top there in storage. We saw at Christmas time. That's because we're doing a forever home. Most importantly, the next most important video that will be coming up shortly, I'm just waiting on 2 silly lamp posts, which have been a bit of a disaster getting. And underneath that little blue shirt there that's covering it up is an extra special little video I've been working on. Again, we're ready to start doing a deep pour with our murky water for the canal. That's ready to go. I've even got the roadway starting to happen down there on our petroleum depot, including, of course, the pipe work started arriving. Our model scenics deliveries have started arriving, so I've got a lot of things to start putting together and a lot of excitement you'll start to be seeing, but these things are taking us plenty of time. So look, I do apologize. In fact, the video that is coming up that'll give us a beautiful little distraction, we're going to take a wander over talking about a particular Matchbox car and seeing if we can fix a pet peeve of mine. That'll be in something else. So rest assured, I have been a mountain of hours into the room at the moment getting things done, and there's going to be things that'll start being revealed. I currently am sitting on about 120 hours of footage at the moment that's going to need to be sifted as required. Again, we're still keeping the room covered up at the moment just to minimize dust, as we've done a few bits and pieces, but I have removed the timber. We had all our timber stored up here. I'm pretty much done with that. We do need to have a jolly good cleanup. In fact, in an upcoming video, which I was going to talk about, is organization and also identification. I've had some custom plates made up to do with the wiring. So we've got a lot that's happening in the room. Unfortunately, this Easter, I want you to eat your Googie eggs, be happy, and just enjoy some time to yourself. A nice quick video so you don't have to waste your time. Just get on with what you want to do. Enjoy your family, your Easter, and of course your toys and model railway. Like I said, no time for a tripod. We're keeping it smooth, quick, and simple. Thank you so much, girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your Easter, and until the next one, stay safe. Toodles.